ルじゃなくってなんかアレグリアっていうところでさっきのお兄さんに降りるよって言われて、降りてその前にあったツアーガイドのところに連れてこられました。
You there in Kawasan with guide, okay? And then after that, come back here. And then after that, we will go another waterfalls. But the jumping there, we have additional 500.
But you said before that we got the Kawasan pool and waterfall. We are going to both. And you said so 1,000. Well, that's why I paid you 1,000. Okay, then we go to Kawasan.
We will go now because the Kawasan will close at 3.
Okay, then after that you're
Okay,
gonna
no
take
problem.
us to
Okay.
waterfall. And then 1,000 in total, right?
Okay, no problem. It's
Okay.